Good morning. So I'll straighten out the bearing walls. Smidge to the front. Oh, we'll take that. So after this, next we lay out the floor. Okay, so we'll lay out the floor system. You'll read here, it says start spacing 19.2. So you know that little black diamond on your measuring tape? That is 19.2. Total width 3.5. Half of a floor truss is 1 3/4. Remember that. Okay, here we are at the back corner. Remember I said 1 3/4. Here is 19.2, the black diamond. Right there. Now I go back 1 3/4 to get the center. And away we go, otherwise known as 17.5. Punch a nail in. Now mark every little black diamond on your tape. Just want to point out at the 8-foot mark, it's actually not black, it's same color as the tape. Okay, so I got the whole floor laid out. Now, super important, you want to look out for plumbing walls and toilets. So, here's a plumbing wall. So the floor truss is run this way. So this plumbing wall doesn't matter. There will not be a truss under it. In its entirety. Okay, and here's another one. This is the one we're going to want to look out for. Okay, so that is from the outside of the building 5 foot 5.5 to this plumbing wall. Let's go check that. 5 foot 5.5. So that's this corner here. Hook on the outside of the building. 5 foot 5.5 and away. It's to 11, so this is a plumbing wall. I have a truss here and here, we're good. Now, what's important is there's a toilet that backs onto this wall. So I go 13 inches, scribe a mark. Again, this toilet's clear, so this toilet will not hit a floor truss. I have one more toilet to check back there. So how do you know how to mark a toilet? Okay, so from the back of the wall here, I come out, I find this wall and I come out 13 inches to the center of the floor drain. Let's say that this toilet was turned the other way and the tank was here. What I do then is I give a toilet 32 inches. So then I would measure off here 16 inches to the center, and you want 2 inches on either side of your center mark for a toilet drain, because a toilet drain is 4 inches. So I need to go 10 foot 5.5 plus 3.5 and then mark my toilet. So 10 foot 9 and then 13. 10 foot 9 plus 13, so that's 1 foot 1, so 11 foot 9, 11 foot 10. Where's my toilet? Here's one, and here's one. I think I'm good. Yep. Okay, this toilet's clear, in the clear too. We're golden. spread out the trusses. Last floor truss. Finito. Okay, we will level out this stub wall. Get the 2x4 perfectly plumb with the bottom plate of the stub wall. I will fasten it. May as well put this block in now a minute. Bring this flush. Voila. Yep. Okay, so now, I've explained this before, I'll explain it again. This is frost wall backing. I just do this because it's way easier to do it now than when you're doing frost walls. So I'll snap my line for my top plate on these blocks because that frost wall is right here somewhere. So this gives me backing to nail my frost wall to. Okay, so we'll do this first sheet together. Whoop, whoop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. tack, another tack, full on nail, and that's one. That was fun. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. You all take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.